Make sure you're prepared. Make sure you've done everything you can to make sure that you've continued with your lifelong learning, and that you look professional and you don't give them any reason to turn you down. The other thing is to be prepared for some of the tough questions that might be age related, but you may still face. For example, in this economy, you have people who are applying for jobs for less money than what they were making before. So you're going to face people thinking you're overqualified for the job. And the case law is clear that if the employer has objective evidence that you being overqualified is going to be a problem, they have a legitimate reason to turn you down. So you need to be prepared for questions that might be suggesting you're overqualified and have a good answer for that about why you're sincerely interested in the job. And that you are not planning on just taking it as a placeholder and then continue to look for another one. Same thing, you might get asked a question, about your ability to work with younger workers. You need to have an answer for that you can work well with coworkers of any ages, and you look forward to the opportunity to learn from them as they would hopefully look forward to learning from your experiences as well. A lot of people find it hard to believe, but it actually is not a per se violation of the law for them to ask you how old you are. Should they ask you that? No, they shouldn't ask you that. And if they asked you that and you answered it and didn't get the job, you may want to file that charge of age discrimination because they need to have a very good reason for asking it. Now, again, you want the job, you don't care about filing the charge. So have an answer ready. One, as I always tell people, never, ever lie. So answer truthfully, although I would probably preface it that I don't see how my age is relevant to the position, but I'm happy to tell you that, I am whatever. But then, as you leave, make a note, ask my age. Is there any good reason why an employer might ask you your age in an interview? There's really very few. Age has to be relevant to the position. So if they're hiring models for children's clothing, for example, if it's applying for a state or local police officer and they have mandatory retirement, they might want to ask how old you are to know how many years you'd have before you hit that mandatory retirement age. But those are so rare. Again, I would always say that you don't think it's relevant, but you're happy to provide the answer. Same thing, you might see it on a application. I would say complete it, because if you don't complete it, you give them a reason to put it in the incomplete file. And don't lie, because if you lie, it may come back to haunt you. And same thing with all the online applications.